Babin.
I had not intended to make a comment here, but with all the give and take here, and I believe that bipartisanship is definitely an essential ingredient as well to have in this committee. But being from the 36th district of the Lone Star State of Texas, it's interesting and curious to hear that we want to take the word essential away from fossil fuels because of the tens of thousands of jobs that are being taken and offered by companies that are in my district as well as in Mr. Weber's district that are totally dependent upon cheap feedstocks to continue. And that feedstock is natural gas. And the story of cheap natural gas is a very historical, interesting story in itself. When we were supposed to have been at peak oil back in the 1980s, that all fossil fuels were done, that we would need to start weaning ourselves off of them because there wasn't going to be enough left to run our economy, and it was absolutely necessary that we go to alternative types of fuels. And I am totally in favor of alternative forms of fuel, but to say that fossil fuels are not essential, at least for the next decades, and that's plural, I think would be a very erroneous statement. In fact, if we weaned ourselves off of fossil fuels, the state of Texas might even just dry up. We have more petrochemical refining facilities than any other place, and not only in the country, but in the world. And as I said, thousands and thousands of people's employment and livelihoods are dependent upon that. And so I just wanted to put my 2 cents in, and I yield back. Thank you.
Thank you.